Open VirtualBox, then select New. The name we will use is Windows Server. Select Windows 2008, 64-bit version. Here we will allocate 4 GB of RAM. Select Create Virtual Hard Disk Now. Then click Create. Select Virtual Disk Image. Then click Next. Select Dynamically Allocated. We will allocate 25 GB of hard disk space, then click Create. Next, click on Settings. Then Storage. Click on Empty. Then click the button beside the drop-down box. Select your downloaded ISO file. Then click OK. We will start the installation. A prompt will appear. Select your desired language, time and currency, and input method. After that, click Next. Another prompt will appear. Click Install Now. For this prompt, we will not input anything since there is no product key for activation. Then click Next. Another prompt will appear. This will ask you to enter your product key. Click No. Select Windows 2008 Standard, Full Installation. Then click on the small box at the lower left side. Then click Next. Read then accept the license terms, then click Next. Click on Custom. Click Next. Wait for the installation to finish. It will ask you to set a password. Note that the password must have an uppercase, lowercase, and number in it. After setting the password, click OK. We will now configure security policy settings using the local security policy console. Click on Start, then type in secpol.msc. Under Security Settings of the console tree, do one of the following. Click Account Policies to edit the password policy or account lockout policy. When you find the policy setting in the Detail pane, double-click the security policy that you want to modify. In this tutorial, we will modify the maximum password age and set it to 35. Modify the security policy setting, and then click OK. We will now configure security policy setting using the local group policy editor console. You must have the appropriate permissions to install and use the Microsoft Management Console, MMC. Also to update a group policy object, GPO, on the domain controller to perform these procedures. Click on Start, then type in gpedit.msc. In the console tree, click Computer Configuration. Click Windows Settings. And then click Security Settings. In this tutorial, we will modify password policy and also the maximum password age to 25. Modify the security policy setting, and then click OK. To open the domain controller security policy, in the console tree, locate Group Policy Object, Computer Name, Policy. Click Computer Configuration. Click Windows Settings, and then click Security Settings. Click Local Policies to edit security options. In the Details pane, double-click the security policy that you want to modify. We will select Accounts, Administrator Account Status. Then click on Disable. then click OK. Press the Win+R keys to open Run, type secpol.msc into Run, and click Tap on OK to open Local Security Policy. Expand Open Local Policies in the left pane of Local Security Policy, and click Tap on User Rights Assignment. In the right pane of User Rights Assignment, double-click Tap on the policy you want to add users and/or groups to. Click Tap on the Add User or Group button. Click Tap on the Object Types button. Check all the boxes for object types and tap on the OK. Click or tap on the Advanced button. Click on the Find Now button. Select the name of the user or group you want to add, and click on OK. Click or tap on OK. Click or tap on OK. When finished, you can close local users and groups if you like. Press the Windows+R keys to open Run, type secpol.msc into Run, and click on OK to open Local Security Policy. Expand Open Local Policies in the left pane of Local Security Policy, and click on User Rights Assignment. In the right pane of User Rights Assignment, choose and double-click on the policy you want to remove users and/or groups from. Select the user or group you want to remove, and click on the Remove button. Click or tap on OK. When finished, you can close Local Security Policy if you like.
I'm Jean Marie Prosi Valencia from 2 Aims of Information Network Security.
I'm Noje Martinez.
I am Rodie Rowell P. Parocha.
And I am Ronan Estira, the Makopa boy.